Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. And for those of you who don't know me, hi, I'm Bardo, founder of HouseofNyabinghi, a fashion, lifestyle, and culture e-commerce startup. So grab your pen, pencil, or device for today's episode, which focuses on the letter I for identity, imperfections, and inertia. Losing work or changing work can quietly shake your identity. Speaking as someone who eons ago found myself out of work for almost 5 years post the 2008 recession, it was one of those scariest times that I experienced, not just financially, but emotionally and mentally also. Because for a long time, and possibly like me, your job may have been how you explained yourself, how you justified your time, how you felt useful. So when that changed, it can leave a strange emptiness. This is where inertia can show up. Not laziness, not lack of ambition, but the type of inertia, the inaction you take, born from fear. The fear of getting the next step or steps wrong, fear of starting imperfectly, fear of being seen while unfinished. That's why this series, Unfinished, exists for this moment, because identity is something you can rebuild and not just lose. Your imperfections aren't proof that you're not ready, quite the opposite. You are ready. And in fact, your imperfections, like mine, are proof that you're very much human and aware that you can do more, but in a healthier, more purposeful way. And often, these imperfections are the very things that give your creativity its depth. The danger isn't in failing. To fail and retry is to give yourself optimum opportunity to get your creativity plan process right, however many times you need. The true danger is in staying frozen. So, again, you don't need a new job title to move again. What you need is permission to trust yourself without one. So, give yourself permission and go for what's yours. Now, if something in today's conversation stayed with you, don't rush past it. Instead, sit with it, write it down, then share it if you feel called to. And remember, like beauty, art has no expiry date. So be creative, make your art, and leave a mark.